Hey there, guys. It's me, Steve, and welcome back to Grind to Freedom. Today, I want to have a very special conversation with you guys in my little nightly walk here, and that is YouTube. Quality content versus quantity. So, quality versus quantity in YouTube is quite the interesting topic. Why? Because there's people that argue, oh no, you need quality. You need that quality. So the people go down, oh, you need that quantity. And so the people go like, you need both. You need both. And at the end, what I want to break you guys free from is your own excuses. Some of you might be like, oh, I'm not starting the YouTube channel because I still don't have the gear that I need. AKA, I need that quality, you know? There's other people that go like, oh, it sounds so daunting to have to make even 5 or 10 videos and then have to edit them and then have to learn SEO and then have to learn all these things. And there's people who are like, oh, I need both. I need to have the camera and the perfect gear and the perfect this and the perfect that, and at the top of that I need to make 100 videos and blah 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 blah. I'm gonna give you the secret formula. This secret formula not only has been helping my channel, not only has been helping a bunch of other people's channels, but it's literally what's growing YouTube right now. It's literally what people are calling easy mode right now on YouTube. It's very simple. Start with quantity, finish with quality. Start with quantity, finish with quality. Which means is, in the beginning, just like you going to the gym, just like you going for a run or whatever, you just want to get started. And the best way to get started is literally by making it as easy as possible for you to get started. For example, when I'm going to the gym, or where I was starting to go to the gym, when I wasn't as motivated, you know what? My gym bag was always in my car. And no matter how I was dressed up, in my gym bag, I had shoes for the gym, I have pants for the gym, I have a shirt for the gym, I have a towel for the gym, and I have my water. So it made it easy for me to just, all I have to do is show up, because all my stuff is already there. All my stuff is already there. So same thing with your YouTube channel. In the beginning, sure, we can get caught up on like, oh, I need the perfect quality. Oh, I need to get that camera that Steve is using right now, or whatever. No, you have a cell phone. You have some type of camera, even if it's a webcam on your laptop. Start with what you have and start getting those reps in. Start getting that quantity aspect of this whole thing going. You know what I'm saying? Because once you get the quantity started, the quality improves by its own. Meaning, the quality of your message improves because you're getting the reps in. The quality of your audio improves because since you're already doing it and you're hearing yourself, you're hearing your videos, and other people also comment in your videos, they start going like, hey, the sound could be better if you use this mic. Or maybe you yourself go like, hey, let me improve my mic. Then later you go like, you know what? I don't want to look grainy in my footage. I want to look high def. I want to look 4K. I want to look 1080p, you know? And then you invest in the camera. Then you invest in a better phone or whatever it is that you have to do to get there. But starting is the hardest part. Literally, is the hardest part. And the moment you start and you then get going, it becomes easy como correr bici. That's how one of my friends says, like easy like riding a bicycle. It's easy mode because you just got started. And that's literally the core message that I want to harp in this video. Don't stress about quality. especially not in the beginning of your YouTube journey. You can stress about quality. I'm talking like 6 months, a year, 2 years in even. Like, you can take your time. Like, legit, you can take your time. But quantity is very important in the beginning, because with the quantity, people get to know you. With the quantity, you get better at speaking. With the quantity, you actually achieve way more with your audience, because they see someone they can count on. They see someone that's showing up relentlessly. If you've been watching my videos, you see that I show up. It doesn't matter. I could be in New York, I could be in the beach, I could be in my car, I could be walking the streets in the morning or at night. I'm still showing up for you guys, because I want you guys to get to know me, to trust me, and of course, for you guys to subscribe. And if you see someone that's showing up every day, maybe by the third video you watch from me, you go like, you know what, this guy's all right. Let me subscribe. Let me give him a follow. Let me join the tribe. And that's hopefully what I'm aiming to achieve here. So if this message has resonated with you, like, feel free to subscribe to this channel. We're trying our best to get to up to 1,000 subscribers, so we can hopefully monetize this channel at some point. But most importantly, we're trying to give you actionable, sustainable, practical advice that you can follow, and you can grind yourself to freedom, just like I'm doing. And the only way to make it happen is if you believe in yourself, if you trust yourself, if you get over that hump on your head saying, I need to have the camera, or I need to have the fancy things. You don't need none of that. You don't need none of that. All you need is to get started. So quantity first, quality way second. You can grow immensely a YouTube channel with just using your phone. You really don't need to do much. You really don't need to go crazy. Wow, there's a big horse right here. I'm so glad that I kept recording, just so you guys can see this horse. I don't want to get too crazy close to the horse, but look at the horse right there. What's up, buddy? You're good? But yeah, guys, quantity first, quality second. Things like this just happen randomly. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Have a wonderful, blessed of your day. Bye.